In this video, we will guide you through how to use your phone as your gamepad for your PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, this method is actually very simple, and once everything is set up, you can use your phone as a controller for your PC games. First, you need to install an app called as PC Remote. So let's go ahead and open any browser to your liking and search for PC Remote and go to the first link and just wait for it to load and just click on download and then click on download for Windows and your setup exe file will successfully start downloading. Just open your Play Store or App Store and then just go to the search bar and just go ahead and search for PC Remote and click on it and click on install and your PC Remote will successfully be installed. Now back to our PC, just go ahead and click on the setup exe file to run the setup wizard. So just wait for it to load. Just click on yes if prompted and then just go ahead and select your language. I'm just gonna select English and click on OK and then click on next. After that, just read through the license agreement and then after reading, just go ahead and click on I agree and then select your destination folder and click on install. Now just wait for the installation to complete as it may take some time, and once that the installation is complete, you can just go ahead and toggle on run PC remote receiver and click on finish. And now back on our phone, just go ahead and open the PC remote. Now the most important step is connection. Make sure your phone and PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is required for both devices to detect each other. If you are not using Wi-Fi, you can also use hotspot, but both devices must be on the same network. Now open the PC remote app on your phone and you will land in this interface. Now you will see the ready for connection at the bottom. Just go ahead and click on that. Also make sure your PC remote is running in your PC. After that, you can allow PC remote to send notification. I'm just gonna click on don't allow and then you will see your local PC available. So just go ahead and click on that and it will be successfully connected. Now you will see the touch screen. This touchpad mode allows your phone to act like a mouse. You can move your finger to control the cursor. You can just go ahead and tap to click on it, just like a laptop trackpad. Now there is a layout section where you can select pre-made controller setup for different games. So let's go to the layout and then you will see different options to choose from. So let's say I want to go with something like Xbox 360 controller. So I'll just click on it and click on open. And now this particular interface will open. Now I'm just gonna show you how it works by opening a simple game. And now once the game is started, so I'm just gonna go ahead and move the controls as you can see. So now let's say I want to move left. So I'll just move the joystick on my screen to left and you will see it will successfully move the character to the left hand side. So let's say I want to move my camera around. I will use the middle joystick to just rotate the camera just like so. And now you'll see the control are successfully being done by your mobile phone. You even have options for jump, you have accent keys and trigger depending on the layout. You can now use these controls to play your PC games directly from your phone. And that's basically it. Your phone is now acting as the full gamepad for the PC and now you can use it for most games as long as the app is running and both devices stay connected on the same network.